Hello everyone. Today we will discuss nursing previous year question paper MCQs. Before starting, please subscribe to the channel for more nursing important MCQs. So let's get started. First sign of vitamin A deficiency is correct answer is B. Night blindness due to impaired rod cell function in retina. Night vision is affected first. Next question. Scorbutic rosary is seen in a deficiency of correct answer is C. Vitamin C. Enlargement of costochondrial junctions in scurvy is called scorbutic rosary. Next question. Main source of vitamin D in humans. Correct answer is B. Sunlight. UV rays convert 7-dehydrocholesterol to cholecalciferol in skin. Next question. Hemorrhagic disease of newborn is prevented by. Correct answer is B. IM vitamin K. Vitamin K is given at birth to prevent bleeding. Next question. Which vitamin deficiency leads to peripheral neuropathy? Correct answer is C. Vitamin B1. Thiamine. Thiamine deficiency causes dry, very peripheral neuropathy. Next question. In rickets, serum calcium is usually. Correct answer is B. Normal or low. Calcium may be low or normal due to compensation by PTH. Next question. Bow legs and frontal bossing are features of. Correct answer is C. Rickets. Rickets causes soft bones and deformities. Next question. Gum bleeding and petechia are signs of. Correct answer is C. Scurvy. Vitamin C deficiency weakens vascular support and gums. Next question. Radiological finding in rickets includes. Correct answer is C. Cooping and fraying of metaphyses. These are classic signs in long bone X-rays. Next question. Which vaccine is contraindicated in pregnancy? Correct answer is D. MMR. MMR is a live vaccine and contraindicated during pregnancy. Next question. Which vaccine is given at birth in India? Correct answer is B. OPV-0, BCG, OPV-0 and hepatitis B are given at birth as per national schedule. Next question. Pulse polio immunization aims to. Correct answer is C. Eradicate poliovirus transmission. Mass campaigns with OPV target eradication of wild poliovirus. Next question. BCG vaccine prevents. Correct answer is B. Meningeal and miliary TB. BCG is effective against severe TB in children. Next question. Measles vaccine is a. Correct answer is C. Live attenuated vaccine. It is a live vaccine given after 9 months of age. Next question. Which component is not present in pentavalent vaccine? Correct answer is D. Typhoid. Pentavalent covers DPT, hepatitis B, and HIV. Next question. Ideal gap between two OPV doses in pulse polio. Correct answer is C. 1 month. Multiple doses at short intervals improve gut immunity. Next question. First dose of MMR is given at. Correct answer is B. 9 months. In India, MMR is given at 9 months and 15 to 18 months. Next question. DPT protects against all except. Correct answer is D. Typhoid. DPT contains toxoids against diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. Next question. Typhoid vaccine is recommended at. Correct answer is C. 1 year. Typhoid conjugate vaccine TCV can be given at 9 to 12 months. Next question. Most common cause of bleeding in children is. Correct answer is C. ITP. ITP presents with isolated thrombocytopenia, petechia, and purpura. Next question. Hematorosis is a classic sign of. Correct answer is B. Hemophilia. Hemophilia causes joint bleeding due to factor 8-9 deficiency. Next question. A child with pneumonia has subcostal retractions. It indicates. Correct answer is C. Severe respiratory distress. Retractions suggest increased work of breathing. Next question. Which is a hallmark feature of acute bronchiolitis? Correct answer is B. Wheezing caused by inflammation of small airways, common in infants. Next question. Most common cause of diarrhea in children under 5. Correct answer is C. Rotavirus. Rotavirus is leading cause of viral gastroenteritis. Next question. Management of severe dehydration includes. Correct answer is B. IV fluids. Severe dehydration needs immediate IV rehydration. Next question. First sign of congestive heart failure in infants. Correct answer is B. Hepatomegaly. Hepatic congestion is an early sign in infants. Next question. Tetralogy of float includes all except. Correct answer is B. ASD. ASD is not part of the TOF complex. Next question. Failure to thrive and recurrent respiratory infections suggest. Correct answer is A. Cystic fibrosis. CF causes thick secretions and poor weight gain. Next question. Pink puffers are typically seen in. Correct answer is C. Emphysema. seen in adults. What useful term in adolescent respiratory study? Next question. A 2-year-old child with scurvy may show which X-ray finding? Correct answer is B. Bimberger ring sign. It's a ring of increased density around the epiphysis due to subperiosteal bleeding in scurvy. Next question. An adolescent boy presents with delayed puberty. Which vitamin or hormone is commonly involved? Correct answer is B. Testosterone. Delayed puberty in boys is often due to hypogonadism with low testosterone. Next question. Measles vaccine is most effective if given after? Correct answer is D. 9 months. Maternal antibodies interfere before 9 months. Hence, first dose is given after 9 months for better immunity. Next question. A 3-year-old presents with high fever and strawberry tongue. What is the likely diagnosis? Correct answer is B. Scarlet fever. Group A streptococcus infection causes fever, pharyngitis and strawberry tongue.